Hey guys, it's Brittany again. Today we're going to go over how to have a great profile. So as you can see, I have an example of a profile pulled up here. It's Teresa's. So overall, main thing is you really want to have a direction. So you really want to have people understand your style the minute they kind of like pull your profile up and scroll through it. So think about who you are and what your style is. If you're a mom with kids, or maybe you're just a trendy LA girl who works best doing looks for less, or you're in New York and you love doing red carpet events, pick a direction and stick with it. As you can see, Teresa's profile is pretty cohesive in that it tells the story of herself, it tells the story of her style. She seems like she's like, obviously she's a mom. She's got this laid back, cool California style. And she's casual and she works really great with kind of like these easy breezy pieces. And you can also see her looks describe that. She describes that in her bio, and she has a ton of great reviews. So that's just kind of like overall. Um, Getting right into more specific points, on the app, you are able to add before and after pictures of clients in the clients section. These really help. You can add before and after ones, or where it's the side by side, or you can just add an after picture. And this really helps people, the clients, to see kind of like a transformation and go, wow, I really want to book them. I can see the transformation, or I can see how great that person looks now and see what you've done. Third thing is editorial photos in your profile and inspiration photos really do help. Again, if they describe your style. But I'd say the number one thing that really helps someone understand the stylist and their style is photos of themselves. As you can see, Teresa is almost in every single photo she has. And then if it isn't Teresa, it's a photo of her clients that she styled, or images of her style, of like flat lays that are really pretty. So really just make sure that you do have photos of yourself, and make sure that they are all high resolution. Otherwise, they will be blurry. So just kind of like going off of this, going back to the Styling Academy, on the app, people can actually see stylists a little bit differently now. But we have what's called a stylist preview. So basically, you'll come up and it will have, you can kind of pick a cover photo for each category. So they'll be able to see your style inspiration, your clients, a look styled by you, and your profile photo with a booking button. So you're going to be able to go in on the app and choose a cover photo for each category, meaning the main photo that they'll see for your style inspiration, your clients, and so on. So here's like a cover photo she chose for style inspiration. Here's a cover photo of Eliza, of her actual self, so that's her. Here's a cover photo of clients. So this is an example. It says Eliza's client. And here is a look that has been styled by, for instance, by Eliza, that she chose as her cover photo. And your profile photo is that little circular one you'll be able to choose as well. So that's just another thing so you guys know. Continuing on that, you always want to make sure that you write out your specialty in my service section. So again, like think about what you're good at. What do you enjoy the most? Like Teresa could say moms, again, casual California style, simple, relaxed, easy breezy pieces. I know that it doesn't necessarily say that here, but you do get the idea from the rest of her profile. Make sure your style tags also are no more than like up to 5, the ones that you choose on the app, to again hone in on your style and hone in on who you are. Continuing on that, make sure you have good looks and they describe your style. Again, you can tell that this is very Teresa. Do not add looks for a client to your profile unless they are really good and they also describe you. So don't just add anything to your profile because you just did it and you're kind of like, oh, I'll just add it in there. No, don't do that. Add things that are only really good that describe your style. Can't say this enough. And one of the last things is reviews. So as you can see, Teresa's got a bunch of reviews. Reviews are super helpful in getting bookings because they help people connect with the stylist. So if you have a website and you have reviews on it from like past styling, you can actually just create an account on Wishy, copy and paste that review, and put it onto your profile. So it doesn't need to be an actual client of yours. So that's just a little tip. It's super easy to help build yourself up, and it really helps you get bookings. So as you can see, it's a really cohesive profile. Just the main thing: photos, looks, style tags, and information that you include on your profile really should all tell a cohesive story. Clients will book you if they're able to understand your style point of view, and that they're able to really connect with your personal style like within seconds. So really be authentic when you focus on this, and what you like best, that'll really generate the best results, like getting booked and booked. So highlight your strengths, add your photos and tags, and most importantly, be yourself, and you'll see everything kind of unfold from there.